Here you will find link to all kind of website on your Google Search Console. That means all the websites you advert on your Search Console will show up here. Do you want to add Google Search Console results with Google Analytics? That means the statistics in your Google search area will show up on your Google Analytics. So that video is basically for you because you can see all the results from Google Search Console through your Google Analytics. So this video is going to be very important. Keep watching the entire video without skipping and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like it. So you need to open any browser for that first. After that, you will click on the search bar and go to Google Analytics. After searching through Google Analytics, you will see number search website. From there, open the website you can see here. You will click get start from here. Then you will have a Google Analytics homepage like this. Then you can add your Google Search Console account with the blue option that you see here. You will click on the link account here. Then click on the option you can see called link here. Then you will have a page like this. Here you will find link to all kind of website on your Google Search Console. That means all the websites you advert on your Search Console will show up here. So select and confirm the website you want to add from here. So the next option is select web series. So it is going to be like this. You get it from here. So then you will get an option called review and submit. Here's what you want to advertise your website on Google Analytics and which series it will show here. So you will submit it from here, but then your Google Search Console will be added to Google Analytics. And all the results of your Google Search Console, how many people click through, from which country and how they clicked, all kinds of information, but you can see through this analytics. You don't have to go to Google Search Console separately and check the statistic. So let everyone know how to video it. For those of you who suffer from various blog site problems such as sitemap errors, also issue with the settings on the blog sites, problem with robot.txt, indexing problems, can come to my channel and watch video. I have uploaded all kinds of videos on my channel and Facebook page. May everyone be well. Thank you so much.